Hey, it's Pastor Sue at Churches United. I have an opportunity today to provide an update with some of the things that are happening at Micah's Mission in particular, as well as our other sites. It's been a hard week for us at Churches United. As you may have read in the Fargo Forum or heard on the news, we have had our first positive COVID cases here at Micah's Mission. One of our guests is currently very ill. Another one has been identified as positive for the virus. One guest is in the hospital, another is in isolation. I wanted to just share some information about how we've been coping during this time. Over the past number of weeks, we've worked really closely with Clay County Public Health, as well as the Minnesota Department of Health and our health systems here in the community to think about the ways that we can work in the day-to-day to help keep our guests as safe as possible. As part of that, we've been encouraging social distancing. We've encouraged all of our guests to wear cloth masks at all times in community areas. Staff people are doing the same. We've stepped up our schedule of cleaning and sanitation. We've made some changes to the way that we do meal service in order to make sure that there's as little face-to-face contact as possible and to ensure that the chance of transmission and spread is minimized as much as possible. That having been said, this is a congregate setting, and so it's very difficult to keep the kind of isolation that many of us are able to do at home. We've also set up an area for isolation in the building so that if someone is experiencing symptoms but doesn't yet need to be tested, we can segregate them from the rest of the population. In spite of all that, as I said, we do have 2 positive cases here at Micah's Mission, and our prayers and thoughts are with those folks as they recover, as well as for a couple of team members and a couple of other guests who are awaiting test results. Folks who are awaiting a test result, who are guests here, we've worked with Clay County Public Health to provide an offsite isolation place for those folks. Just want to assure you that we're doing everything we can to continue to serve our guests and serve the community in the safest, most effective way possible. We're very grateful for our community partners, the other shelters with whom we work very closely, the health systems in town, the public health systems at the county and state level. As always, we covet your prayers. We appreciate them, especially during this difficult time. Please hold us and our guests in your prayer. As always, we need financial support as well. This time has posed special challenges for us, and we're grateful for all of the support that you have been giving us and that you will give us in the future. Thank you. You are in our prayers, and we trust that we are in yours.